Alright, so I'm going to show you how to save your files on the H drive. So first, you click on your little folder icon, and you navigate to your H drive. And I have already made a folder right here for the backup. I've made one before, so to make a folder, you just right click, go to New, Folder, and then name it whatever you'd like to. I'm going to actually use the other one I had, this one. So once you have that, it's on your H drive. Then right click down here, File Explorer, and then go where your files are. So let's say they're on your computer. Let's say they're here in your documents, and let's say this is what I want to save. So what you do, you just right click, you click Copy, go to your H drive right here, right click, and do Paste. And then you're going to see it transfer it. So that means it is on your H drive, so it's safe. You can do multiple files at a time. So let's say that this was on my computer and I wanted to save all of this. You can actually click the first file, go down to the bottom, hold the Shift key, click the bottom file, and then you could right click, do Copy, and then go back over here, right click, paste, and you would actually see all those files move over to your H drive. So that is your first option of saving to your H drive.